All right, boys and girls, it's officially super cold in Florida. Florida keeps breaking record. Now we have done it with the low temperatures. I've been recording these videos and I've noticed that some people told me, hey, the sound, it's very low. And I just noticed, hopefully we fix the sound. So what is going on, boys and girls? Dodge Ram is dropping some good old bomb news on us. And it's that they confirm a Ram mid-size pickup. It's on its way. Let's get into it. What is going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. If you guys are rocking with the content, hit that thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers. I would have never imagined making this channel and reaching 20,000 subscribers. I do have some great news for this year. We are going to get into a project soon. Within the next few months, you're going to see a new project. Your boy is getting a new daily. Hopefully we're looking into picking up a brand new truck, hopefully a diesel truck as a daily. I want to start getting more out there in the outdoors and hunting. I want to do a little bit more hunting. I want to do some duck hunt. I want to get out there. So what is going on? So the Dodge Ram mid-size pickup is confirmed. Tim Kuniski, thank God Kuniski is back at Dodge, has confirmed that he will get his wish after all, and that is to bring a mid-size pickup back. So let's get into it. It says the confirmation arrived after the Automotive News reported on a memo from Stellantis COO Antonio Filosa that mentioned that the automaker will be building a mid-size pickup truck at its Illinois factory. The memo didn't say when the pickup is going to be built, but it's sometime around 2027. Look, in all reality, in my personal opinion, I think the past administration that we had could have done a lot better things for this country. Hopefully this new administration does better things, but we are going to see the famous words, drill, baby, drill, and that's going to bring down the gas a lot. And when that comes down, everything across the board pretty much comes down. And the reality is that a lot of the trucks, a lot of this Ford, Chevy, Dodge trucks, they were all very expensive. These past few years, they were very expensive. When COVID was around, they were super expensive. And leaving the 1500 All-American Ram, which was the value truck for your tradesmen or for everybody, it just wasn't happening anymore. They got really expensive. So I think a mid-size build pickup is going to be great. Let's continue. It says, after meeting with the company for the last several months, last night, we resolved a grievance concerning the Dodge Durango and the reopening of the Belvedere Stellantis plan. The UAW said in the statement, Stellantis agreed to build the next generation Durango at its Detroit factory and invest in the Jeep facility down in Ohio, or up in Ohio, because we're here in Florida. Now, look, the reality is a lot of people should know that the Hemi is not dead and that the Hemi is coming back. Now, we know Carlos Tavares killed it, but now that we have Tim Kuniski back in the brand, we know that it remains. It remains on the heavy duty, and it also remaining on the Durango. And it's only a matter of time before we see it on the Daytona Charger, and it's just going to be like that. I guarantee you can come back to this video. So Kuniski told us 2 weeks ago, this is the Motor One articles. When you hear told us, is the Motor One article. It says Kuniski told us less than 2 weeks ago that he wanted a mid-size pickup truck so bad that everything is so expensive. So trucks are way more expensive. Ram is no longer the 1500 Classic that served as a value option for the truck buyers or the tradesmen, which is what I mentioned, leaving room for a lineup for something smaller and cheaper than its full size offering. Now, I think, and we have a picture here of the mid-size Rebel, I think this is going to be perfect for this market. We have the Ford Ranger. We also have the Chevrolet Colorado. I think Dodge could have benefited from having a mid-size Ram truck, and I think it's going to sell, and it's going to sell very well, because again, the 1500 has passed on from being the all-American truck that everybody wanted because it had a great value to being very expensive. In my opinion, I like Chevy. I'm going for the 1500 Silverado, but this is a great deal for Dodge, and Tim Kuniski is going to get it done. A new mid-size pickup, and he's getting his wish after all. Now, again, don't leave it or don't discard that the Hemi is not coming back, because I am sure it's definitely going to come back. Anyways, if you guys are rocking with the content, hit the thumbs up and the subscribe for your boy. We're on the road to 20,000. I hope to see you guys there. Your boy is out of here.